Hi, my name is Brian Trigalet, Regional Sales Manager for Wynn's Corporate out of Lakeland, Florida. Thank you for joining me. I wanted to talk to you about one of the critical fluids in your vehicle today, which is coolant, otherwise known as radiator fluid, or actually the coolant that flows through your system and keeps your engine and transmission cool, as well as prevents it from overheating. The coolant often has a misnomer, that is, there's an association with that fluid and your heating and air conditioning. In fact, that's not the case. The coolant is there to protect the two most expensive components in your vehicle, the engine and the transmission. Maintaining the coolant fluid in your system is very, very important because of the protection of these components. There are certain intervals and mileage associated with replacing this fluid. Ask your service advisor about maintaining the coolant system. As we discussed, a very, very important component, never to be overlooked. And as always, it is less expensive to maintain your vehicle than it is to replace these very expensive components. Thank you for your time, and talk to your advisor about these services today.